Hello, in this video tutorial we will create a sidebar using Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5, we will create this sidebar. This is the demo that you have. We will create something like this. Let's start. In this HTML file I have imported the Bootstrap files. Bootstrap, CSS and Bootstrap JavaScript files. I have downloaded them locally. You can use the CDN link also. And this link is for font awesome icons that we will use. Font awesome icons. If you would like to use font awesome icons, just search here font awesome cdn link, and you will find this link inside the cdngs.com inside this website. Easily you can copy that link. So after copying that, now let's start our coding. First of all, we will have dot container div element, and after that dot row div element. These are classes, Bootstrap classes. I will change this container to container float, and row is also a class of Bootstrap. And inside this row, now let's create another div element, and let's assign a class name to this one. This div element will have the size call auto. This is a grid system that we used. It means that R2 size we just assigned. It means the size of the column, this sidebar will be R2. Okay, how much content we have, so it will take that much space. Call R2, and after that minimum height, vertical height 100. It means the height of this sidebar will be 100, and BG dark, background will be dark. And now inside this, let's create another div element, and this is for brand, no bar brand. And let's assign a class name to this one. Padding top will be 4, padding bottom 1, and padding x, it means on the x side it will be 2. And inside this we will have anchor tag, a tag, and inside this a tag we will just have an icon. First of all, this is a font awesome icon that we will use. Let's copy the name of icon, that is lengthy. Now let's create a span tag, and this span tag we will have sidebar. For example, I will just write sidebar, and let's assign first of all class to this anchor tag. Here we will assign text white and text decoration none. It means underline none. And come here to the span tag. Here we will assign a class font size 4 and display none by default, and display SM. It means for smaller devices like tablet, for that inline, display inline, but for extra smaller devices that display will be none. So this was our navbar brand. Now let's create our list. So for list we will add ul, but on the top let's add HR horizontal line, and we will add a class name and text white. It means just it will take white color. Now let's add a class name to this ul underline list, unordered list. Now hills flex columns margin bottom auto. Now let's create li list, and inside this list we will have an anchor tag. Let's assign class name, that is now item. Let's add class name to this a tag class. We will add now link, and at the first one is active, and inside this we will just have an icon. First of all, class fa solid font awesome solid, fa home icon, and add margin and 2. And after this icon we will have down here in a span tag home. This is home component, home that we should write the first one. And down from that, let's add a class which is display none and display sm inline. Now let's copy this one and we will paste it. We will have 3 or 4 links like this. Paste it, paste it, and paste it. And let's just, we would like to have these 4 links. The first one was home, the second one dashboard. Let's assign a icon name dashboard. Orders, let's assign class name which is table. Products and class name th. And let's have one another for people, it means customers, and we will assign class name user circle. Let's save it now. So to run HTML file, I am using a live server. So you can install it here in the left sidebar in the extension area. I have already installed. Just press this button. See, go live. Press this button so it will run our HTML file. See, HTML file is running. So let's remove this active class name from these. Let's come here. I would like to select this one. Remove these active classes. Control S. Come here. See, it looks like this. We will just change the text of these icons. Let's do it. Let's assign a class name to the UL text white. So didn't apply it. So let's control exit. Assign it to the li. So it didn't change. Now let's apply it to on the anchor tag here, and also see, it looks like this. Now let's make it responsive. It means resize the menu. Let's come here to the C. For extra smaller devices, it will looks like this. Okay, and let's remove text decoration none. Let's make it text decoration none. Text decoration tag I have inside. Oh, sorry, I should write it inside a class. So it looks like this. That was the sidebar that we have created using Bootstrap. I hope this video was helpful. If you like, so like our video, and thanks for watching.